Visitors to the Abu Dhabi Motor Show have their first chance to see the new Land Rover Evoque in the metal here in 5-door, guys. And I have with me John Edwards, who's the global brand director for the Land Rover. Tell us a little bit about this car and when we can expect to see the production cars here.
Okay, well this is an all-new car for Range Rover. We call it the Range Rover Evoque actually, sorry to correct your pronunciation. The Range Rover Evoque. It's an all-new car. It's not going to go into production until June, July next year, so it'll hit the market in the fourth quarter next year. We're very excited about it. I mean, we think it sets a new standard in the marketplace. We've revealed it first in Paris in September. We've taken it to LA. We've got great interest in the car. We're very, very excited about it. It's going to be a true compact Range Rover, smallest, lightest, most fuel efficient ever.
We know that we've been getting a lot of interest on our website and through our Facebook pages on this particular car. People here are very keen to know more about this car. And I think one of the things that people here would like to know is that there's been a lot of talk in Europe about a two-wheel drive version. And I think people here would like to know, will this car be a proper Land Rover off-roader?
This car will definitely be a proper Land Rover off-roader. It wears the Land Rover badge. It won't be coming to this market in two-wheel drive guise. That's going to be restricted to some of our European markets where the legislation and the usage characteristics are very different to here. So this is going to be a proper off-roader. We're actually testing the car here, as you know, and it's going to be very, very capable. It's lighter than the Freelander, the LR2 in your market, which is a capable car in itself. It's got better ground clearance. This will be a very, very capable product, as befits any car that wears the Land Rover or the Range Rover badge.
A lot of premium manufacturers are now looking at this segment, sort of the compact SUV segment, and even some manufacturers that are not traditionally in the market are going into that area. Do you think this is a vital segment for the market at the moment? Do you think it's important for everybody to be in there?
Yeah, I think it's critical. I mean, I think there is general downsizing in the industry. That's one trend. And I think people are more and more interested in this area of the market. You know, there are some great cars at this area of the market. I'm not going to talk about the price, but clearly this car is going to be less than a Range Rover Sport in terms of its price. And I think it's a very, very buoyant area of the market. So yeah, I think there's a lot of people buying in this area, people looking for slightly more compact, more agile, more fuel efficient cars, more environmentally friendly cars. Maybe less true of the GCC, but certainly globally. And we think it's going to have great appeal.
You can't mention the price at the moment, but in terms of where it fits into the marketplace, you're saying it sits below the Range Rover Sport. But this is a car it's not going for the LR2 market. It's not a practical family thing, or it's more about lifestyle and culture.
Yeah, it's more for people who are, I think, more interested in style and design, whereas the Freelander LR2, is much more of a functional product. You're right. What we do know is that this car will attract people from a very wide church of current products. You know, Audi TT, for example, not a great car in this market, but the Audi TT, a two-door sports car, we know those customers will be interested in this car. We think it will conquest from many of the premium brands, from saloon cars, from sports cars, from other SUVs. It's going to have a great appeal, we believe.
Will the two-door also be coming to this market?
Absolutely. From launch, we will be launching, coincidentally, the two-door and the five-door. Two-door we're very, very excited about. You know, this car is so close to the original design that was revealed at Detroit, I think, 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, which was a concept car, had such strong appeal and reaction to that car. We've kept it very close to that design, and yeah, that car is going to be very important.
And you've been doing a lot of testing in this market already with this car?
Yeah, I think for a number of years now we've been testing our products in this market, 50 degrees C market. Sand is very unique, the usage characteristics are very unique. So yeah, testing it extensively, very confident.
Confident about the launch. We're looking forward to seeing it in the market. Thank you very much, John.
Right. Thank you very much. Cheers.